Checking out this digital force gauge from Goyojo. Comes in a rigid plastic container. We'll open it up. We've got a manual and a certificate of inspection there. We've got the unit itself. It takes 2 AAA batteries. Batteries are actually included. Once you turn it on, you can set the unit you want to measure in, pounds, kilograms, ounces, or newtons, and it's going to apply pressure by pushing or force pulling. So it comes with a probe and extension that can screw on easily, and they go up and poke things and see how much force it takes them to move. But you can also use the hook and other things that you can think of to test the pull. It's fast, accurate. Easy to use. Hope this helps.